In the vast cosmic tapestry of the Renaissance era, one man's brilliance burned as brightly as the celestial bodies he studied. His name echoed through the corridors of time, leaving an indelible mark on the annals of science and philosophy. This is the story of Tycho Brahe, a luminary whose intellectual voyage rewrote the cosmic narrative. Tycho Brahe, born into the lap of aristocracy on December 14, 1546, in the opulence of his parents' sprawling manor house at Knutstorp, in the Danish region of Scania, now in Sweden. His father, Otto Brahe, a member of the royal court, and his mother, Beat Billy, both prominent aristocrats, had 12 children, with Tycho being the second. In a curious turn of events during Tycho's second year, he was abducted by his childless uncle and aunt, Jørgen Brahe and Inger Ox, while his parents were away. Motivated by a desire for a lawful heir to his estates, Tycho's uncle and aunt deemed themselves fit custodians. Remarkably, Tycho's natural parents, Ott and Beat, eventually acquiesced to this arrangement. Consequently, Tycho was raised by Jørgen and Inger as their own, navigating the delicate interplay of familial intricacies that would leave an indelible mark on the early chapters of his aristocratic life. Brahe's approach mirrored the intricate dance of the planets he observed, methodical, precise, and unyielding. A nobleman by birth, Tycho's demeanor bore the mark of aristocracy. Yet, his life's trajectory was shaped by a cosmic twist of fate. In 1566, a pivotal event altered his path, a solar eclipse that ignited his passion for astronomy. Tycho's insatiable curiosity and innate resilience drove him to overcome personal tragedies, including the loss of part of his nose in a duel, a battle wound he concealed with a prosthetic made of gold and silver. Tycho Brahe's first significant contribution to astronomy came with the publication of De Nova Stella on the New Star in 1573. This treatise, prompted by the appearance of the supernova in Cassiopeia in November 1572, documented Tycho's observations and demonstrated the celestial phenomenon's lack of parallax, affirming its celestial origin. The publication challenged Aristotelian principles, rejecting fixed celestial spheres and emphasizing the empirical importance of precise observation. Today, the supernova is known as SN 1572, B Cassiopeia, but also, less formally, Tycho's supernova. Written in an accessible style, De Nova Stella garnered attention for making celestial mysteries comprehensible to a wider audience. This treatise marked a pivotal shift in scientific discourse, laying the groundwork for Tycho's subsequent work, including the monumental Rudolphine tables, later completed and published by Kepler. His meticulous scrutiny of the heavens in De Nova Stella foreshadowed the precision he would bring to observational astronomy, solidifying Tycho Brahe's enduring legacy in the field. Tycho Brahe's astronomical journey reached a pivotal point on the idyllic island of Hven, where he etched his celestial dreams against the canvas of the night sky. In 1576, Tycho commenced the construction of Uraniborg, a grand observatory and research institute, funded by King Frederick II of Denmark. This celestial haven, adorned with astronomical instruments of unprecedented precision, became the crucible where Tycho meticulously observed the heavens. Uraniborg was more than an observatory. It was a scientific utopia that attracted scholars from across Europe, fostering a collaborative environment at the intersection of astronomy, alchemy, and philosophy. However, Tycho's cosmic ambitions did not rest solely on Uraniborg's foundations. In 1584, he embarked on a celestial expansion with the construction of Stjernborg, an underground observatory dedicated to refining his already groundbreaking measurements. Stjernborg's subterranean chambers shielded delicate instruments from the vagaries of weather, affirming Tycho's commitment to unparalleled precision. The acquisition of Hven and the construction of Uraniborg and Stjernborg marked a pivotal phase in Tycho's life, blending the mystical allure of the cosmos with the practical demands of observational science. His intricate instruments, such as the monumental quadrant, adorned these celestial workshops, and his dedicated team included eminent figures like Johannes Kepler, who later became for a short time Tycho's assistant. Kepler's collaboration with Tycho, though sometimes turbulent, bore fruit in the formulation of Kepler's laws of planetary motion, a celestial testament to the collaborative spirit nurtured on Hven. Yet, this island of cosmic exploration faced an inevitable celestial sunset. In 1597, political winds shifted, and Tycho, having lost favor with the new Danish king, Christian IV, was forced to leave Hven. The instruments were dismantled, and the celestial orchestra fell silent. Tycho, ever resilient, sought refuge in Prague, where he continued his astronomical pursuits under the patronage of Emperor Rudolf II. The island of Hven, Uraniborg, and Stjernborg, though transient in Tycho's life, were the celestial crucibles where he fused the realms of observation and imagination, leaving an indelible mark on the trajectory of scientific discovery. The Tycho-centric model, a hybrid between the geocentric and heliocentric theories, was a celestial compromise. As celestial bodies orbited the Earth, the seeds of a heliocentric revelation took root. The Tycho-Galileo clash, a celestial showdown between geocentrism and heliocentrism, loomed on the horizon, shaping the astronomical discourse for centuries. The repercussions of Tycho's work echoed beyond the confines of Uraniborg. Tycho's data became the cornerstone of the scientific revolution, propelling humanity toward a cosmos unshackled from medieval constraints. The seeds he sowed in Denmark germinated across Europe, fertilizing the soil for future scientific endeavors. Tycho Brahe's personal life found a stabilizing force in his marriage to Kirsten Jorgensdatter in 1573. Kirsten, a commoner, became Tycho's life partner as they navigated the intricate tapestry of marital existence. The union, while unconventional for a man of Tycho's aristocratic standing, proved enduring. The couple had 8 children, a testament to their familial bonds. Their marriage, however, was not without its challenges, with Tycho's celestial pursuits often requiring his presence at various European courts. Despite these challenges, Kirsten managed the household and family affairs during Tycho's astronomical ventures. The couple's shared journey in both the celestial and earthly realms marked a harmonious fusion of 2 worlds, with their progeny becoming a constellation in the broader narrative of Tycho Brahe's intricate life. Tycho's life danced across the European stage. From his birthplace in Denmark to his sojourns in Prague and Hven, his peregrinations mirrored the cosmic orbits he so meticulously documented. Collaborations with luminaries like Kepler and the Medici court elevated his influence. Tycho's celestial pursuits transcended borders, knitting a tapestry of collaboration that spanned the intellectual elite of his era. As Tycho breathed his last in 1601, his legacy permeated the corridors of time. The man who melded the rigidity of the old with the promise of the new left an indelible mark. Tycho's meticulous observations were the celestial seeds from which future astronomers would reap bountiful harvests. His Tycho-centric model, though a temporary cosmic compromise, paved the way for a heliocentric revelation that would redefine humanity's place in the universe. In the cosmic symphony of the Renaissance, Tycho Brahe's star burned bright, a celestial choreographer who waltzed with the cosmos, leaving an everlasting imprint on the fabric of knowledge. As we unravel the tapestry of Tycho's life and work, we find a man whose observations transcended the boundaries of his time, propelling humanity into the vast expanse of the cosmic unknown.